Wow, look at that! Come on, Finley! Incredible! It's everywhere! Wow! Look at that! It's so beautiful! Wow. Just like in the stories. Wow! It's glowing! Look at it! Wow! Look at that! It's glowing! Wow! It's so beautiful! Wow, it's glowing! And it smells so sweet and magical! Come on, kids! Let's explore the magic together! Let's go on an adventure! Oh, look what I found! It's so bright! Wow, it's even more magical than I imagined! Wow, look at that! It's so big and sparkly! Ooh, it's glowing! Look closely. Isn't it amazing how tiny the seeds are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! Wow, these seeds are amazing! This is the best news ever! Look at this! It's such a big number! Wow! How did you do that? Wow, they're so beautiful! Look at the colors! It's magic! Look at this magical strawberry! Isn't it beautiful? Wow! That's the most amazing fruit I've ever seen! Look at the bright red color of this wonderful strawberry! Isn't it just magical? Wow! Look at the leaves! They're magical! Do you want to play a game with me? Look what I found! It's magical! Look at it glow! Wow! It's amazing! Tee-hee! Look, Finley! Isn't it wonderful here? Wow, Fairy May, it's amazing! I've never seen anything like it! Wow! You're even bigger up close! This is the best hug ever! Wow, look at that! I'm gonna catch it! Gotcha! Amazing! Wow, this is the most magical strawberry ever! It's so delicious and healthy, too. Look at this! I'm getting stronger. Look how tall I can be now, just like magic. Wow, you're so big! Watch this, I'm getting even taller. Look at the amazing banyan tree! Isn't it just wonderful? I'm so happy to see you. Me too, Fairy May. I'm ready for the adventure, and I hope you are too. Remember to always show your parents how much you care. A hug, a kind word, or just listening means